you believe in love?
Do you believe in love? Do you believe in relationship? Do you believe in friendship? Good day, everyone. It's your host, Adeyemo Funmilayo Olushola, popularly known as First Lady. Welcome to another beautiful episode of Dating and Marital Gist with First Lady. Today, we'll be talking on the topic relationship. Oh, I know you are all excited. As well, I'm also excited. Relationship. We'll be knowing the definition of relationship and the types of relationship. Relationship is any kind of association or connection between people, either intimate, platonic, positive, or negative. It is the association of people, the connection of people, the in of people, either intimate, either platonic, either negative, and also it can be positive. What are the types of relationship we have? We have the friendship relationship, we have the family relationship, we have the friendship, we have the sexual relationship, work and profession, teacher to student relationship. We also have the personal relationship. You know, you have to have a relationship with yourself before you love another. Before you show love or before you show relationship to another, you have to show love to yourself first. Today, we'll be looking at the friendship. We have a relationship called friendship. What is it all about? From all the types of relationship listed, we want to start from the friendship. We want to know what friendship is all about. What are the friendship relationships we have? We have the casual friendship, and then we have the intimate friendship. When we talk about casual friends, it is your friend. You both are friends. You eat together, you wine together, you dine together, but there is nothing attached. There is no secret between you both. There is nothing intimate. It's just an I friends. How far per there? Mo wa pa o. Báwo ni iṣẹ́, báwo ni day, then you leave. There's nothing like advice. There's nothing like please, I need your help, I need your assistance. No, there's nothing like that for casual friendship because you both are just a normal high friends. But we talk about the intimate friends. This is ọ̀rẹ́ aláṣìírí. The Yoruba call it ọ̀rẹ́ aláṣìírí. You both are in together. Anything bothering your mind, or maybe you are confused about something, it's someone you can easily go to. Please, I need your advice on this, I need your help on that. But in a casual friend, it is not done. In an intimate friend, you share ideas together, you share secrets together. That is why the Yoruba call it ọ̀rẹ́ aláṣìírí. Everything about you, your family, your relationship, your sexual life, your love life, you share it with your intimate friend. Anything going through your mind, anything you see new or you hear new or everything is shared by an intimate friend. When we talk about intimate friends starts from childhood. Although not every time it starts from childhood, but intimate friends, it lasts longer than a casual friend, because intimate friends normally leads to family friends. We talk I have a family friend, go and ask them. They started from the scratch, they started from somewhere. Not that they meet themselves today, they become just a normal friends and they start calling themselves intimate. No, intimate friend, you must have seen something in that guy or in that lady for you to call him or her your intimate. Ẹ ti máa rí àwọn nǹkan kan tó yàtọ̀ lára ẹni yẹn. Bóyá mode of reasoning yẹn ó high ju tiyín lọ. Even though you are at the same level, ẹ ti máa rí àwọn nǹkan kan lára ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́ pè ní ọ̀rẹ́ aláṣìírí yẹn. Maybe his mode of thinking or he's a fast thinker. You have seen something in him or her. An intimate friend can be him and it can be her. It can be a male and it can be a female. So don't say because she's a male, tẹ́ pé ti jóbìnrin mi ò lè fi ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ aláṣìírí mi. No, your intimate friend can be a male and it can be a female. Ó lè jóbìnrin, ó lè jọkùnrin, ó lè jọmọdé, ó lè jẹ́ àgbàlagbà, ó lè jẹ́ àfín. It can be a white man. You can take anybody as your intimate friend so far you have a reason, a genuine reason for it. Not just that I see him, I like him to be my friend, and we start making friends, they start calling each other intimate. No, you must see something special in the person. You can meet your friends anywhere. You can meet your friends anywhere. You can meet him in the bus. You can meet him online. You can meet your friends on social media. You can meet your friends even in the market. You can meet your friends. Omi lawa ẹ̀dá, kò síbi tí a ti lè pàdé. You can meet anywhere. The main thing is that just try to study the person you make an intimate friends with, so you won't make friends with an enemy. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wà careful, kẹ́ ṣọ́ra dáadáa kó tó di pé máa bẹ̀ sí ní fi ọ̀rọ̀ yín lọ èèyàn, kó tó di pé ẹ máa mú èèyàn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rẹ́ kòríkòsùn yín. Torí ayé ti lé ń sìn yín. People are after money. Some people will come, they will pretend to be loyal to you, they will pretend to be an helpful friend, but they have their own mission, is to kill and to destroy. And kò sọ́wọ́ ayé o. Thank you for watching. Join us same time, same platform. But before then, stay safe. Bye bye.